Is your car slow to start or completely dead? Before blaming the battery, take a closer look at the terminals. That white or greenish corrosion buildup could be the hidden culprit stealing your power. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple, no-cost trick using just hot water to clean your battery terminals and get your car running like new again. We begin by identifying the corrosion, often a crusty layer around the battery terminals. To fix it, you don't need any fancy tools. Just grab some boiling water, a wire brush or old toothbrush, and a wrench. First, make sure your engine is off and the car is in park. Loosen the negative terminal first, followed by the positive terminal. Once both are off, carefully pour hot water over the corroded area. You'll see the corrosion dissolve instantly, like magic. Scrub off any residue for a clean, solid connection. Once the terminals are clean and dry, reconnect them. Positive first, then negative. Your battery now has a stronger, cleaner connection, which helps with faster starts and extends battery life. It's a simple maintenance tip that can prevent bigger problems later on. If you found this useful, don't forget to subscribe to Daily Auto Tips. Your car care starts here.